Good evening. Look at the beautiful full moon shining on the river. This is IAM Nancy, the nature girl, on a beautiful third day of Advent, and get out into nature and take a walk under the moonlight along the river if you have one. Just look up and see the beauty of the night sky. Look at the sparkle in the river. Just a little bit of cloud, but enjoy.